Hi, this is Mick Holly. For the last 20 years, SBTI have been helping executives like you drive breakthrough improvements within their organizations, bring about lasting change, and those improvements are manifest in the ultimate scorecard of the financial statements and felt as customer delight. We've developed an approach that is surgically precise, allows us to enter your organization in a very risk-free manner to identify what that potential improvement might be. I'd like to tell you a little bit about that. It's a three-step approach we call listen, design, and execute. The listen phase is as it sounds. We'll invest a day to 2 days on site within a business unit, a manufacturing site, back office, distribution center, sales team, and we'll work with them for a day to understand the business imperatives. We'll do some financial and operational analysis, and at the end of that day, we'll give you our insights as to where that improvement might be. And given that we've been in business 20 years dealing with complex issues, we've likely seen the challenges that each of your businesses has, and we know how to drive that improvement. We don't charge at all for that listen step. At the end of that, if there's a big prize, then we'll propose a design phase, 2 to 4 weeks, where we'll develop the detailed implementation blueprint and business case to go after that. And then latterly, in terms of execution, helping you implement those improvements and embed that lasting change in the organization. This approach has worked for the world's leading companies over the last 20 years. And so we'd like to work with you for that listen step. There's no risk. Just click the button at the bottom of this page and you'll see a Meet with Mick. That'll schedule a call with me. I can tell you more about it and the guarantees that come with that self-funding approach. So I look forward to talking to you.